or you want to answer. Understood, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so let's check your attendance. If I call your name, you will say understood, class?
Yes, teacher. What's that again, teacher?
You have to say okay. So Jonalyn Argana, Jodeline Batok, Jomarlene Sag, Gredin Lipado, Kripa Gogo, Joby Manto. Okay, so all of you are present now today. So I will ask you a question, class, if you really understand your discussion last meeting. So what was our last topic? Anyone? Yes, Jodeline.
Talk about teacher notes and rest.
Okay, notes and dress. So what is notes and dress? Anyone? Notes and dress. What is notes? Yes, Jonathan.
Notes are those who have sounds, teacher. Then rest are those who you're just going to recite them.
Okay, notes and dress are your topic last meeting. So now, class, are you ready to learn another topic?
Yes, teacher.
But before that, let us have an activity. So I have here an activity, class. All you have to do is write the time signature of each rhythmic pattern. Do you know what is rhythmic pattern, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now for number 1, we have here a quarter note
Yes, teacher.
and
Quarter
rest.
Quarter.
Okay, so all you have to do is to write the time signature. Are we clear, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so who wants to answer for number 1? Yes, Joby. Okay, for number 2, who wants to answer? Yes, Jonalyn. Okay, so we have 2/4 time signature. Now, who wants to answer for number 3? Yes, Jodeline. Okay, who wants to answer for number 4? Yes, Kipa. Okay, so who wants to answer for number 5? Yes, Joby. Okay, so let's check. Okay, for number 1, we have 4/4 time signature. So, it is correct?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, it is correct. For number 2, we have 2/4.
Yes, teacher.
Number 3, 3/4.
Yes, teacher.
For number 4, 2/4.
Yes, teacher.
And the last one, number 5, 3/4.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so now class, this activity will give you a hint about our topic for today. Anyone? Who wants to answer about what was our topic for today? Yes, Jonathan, sorry.
Teacher, is it time signature?
Okay, our topic for today was all about the time signature, 6/8 time signature. But before that, let's read the objective first. Okay, class, please read the objective.
At the end of the lesson, the students are expected
signature. This. The eight note, if we put that in, it equals to 1. And this is the 8 rest, if we put that in, it 1. So, let's discuss another song. So, we have here a row, row, row your boat. So, do you want to hear again the song Row, Row,
Yes.
Your Boat?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so
Gently down the stream, merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
okay, class. So now I will ask you a question if you really listen to the song. Okay, so what is the title of the first song? Yes, Jody Lee.
Row, 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 row.
The first song? What is the title of the first song?
Teacher.
Yes, Johnny Lee.
Dandan soy, teacher.
Dandan Suy. Okay, very good. So give 5 claps to Journaling. Okay, so what is the time signature of the song Dandan Suy? Yes, Johnny.
60 times signature, teacher.
Okay, so we have the 6/8 time signature. Now, what kind of rest you found in Dandan Suy song? Rest. Yes, Johnny. Okay, the 8th rest and the quarter rest. Now, in the row, row, row your boat, what kinds of notes are used in the musical score? Yes, Journaling.
Quarter note, teacher. Half note and dotted half note and eighth note. That's all, teacher.
Okay, very good. So give 5 claps to Journaling. Okay, so what have you 1 and Group 2. So as you can see on your rubrics, we have as you can see on your paper, we have our rubrics. So first, the instructions were very well followed. We have 5 points. The groups performed the echo clapping very well, so we have 5 points. The members were participating, so we have 5 points, a total of 15 points. So I will give you 5 minutes to discuss it with your group, and you have to perform it after here. Okay, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you may now discuss it. Please cooperate with your group. Okay, you have 3 minutes left. Okay, you have 1 minute left.
Teacher, sabat sila, teacher. Nag-practice. Kabalo na ka, Jumar. Ikaw na sa Jumar. Mag-practice ninyo. Mag-practice ninyo. Jumar, wait ka din pilit.
Your class, please behave and perform your discussion. I give you four points. So the members who are participating, I give you 5 points. So a total of 15 points. Give 5 class to group 2. Now class, if you really understand our discussion for today, let's have a game. Are you excited for a game?
Yes!
So here is the row 1, here is the row 2, and row 3. So now, let's do the first and last man standing. So are you all excited?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so wait a minute. So now,
Teacher, si Jonah, teacher lang.
Jomar, what is that? Jomar and Jonalyn, what is the problem?
Teacher, tabi on. Ano siya, teacher, na tarungon ka na mo answer yung question.
Okay, so
Para madaog me.
okay, don't do that again, ha? Okay, so now let's do the activity. So I will give you 4 questions. So let's start. First man standing. Column 2. Yes, yes, Eva. Yes, Eva. So Eva, here is your question. What is 6/8 times signature?
It is a compound meter.
Yes, it is a compound meter. So give 5 claps to Shiva. Now for the second question. Last man standing column 1. First man standing column 3. Yes. Journalist, ano yung ganyan na teacher? Di ko naman.
Lagi naman, oy, pamina, lagi.
Okay, for your question, Joey. In 6/8 times signature, how many beats are there in each measure?
Sa 6/8 times signature, teacher, na siya 6 ka bits.
Okay, very good. So, give 5 claps to Joey. Now, for the third question. First man standing, column 1. Last man standing, column 3. Yes, Joey?
Yes, teacher.
Now, for your question, what is the difference between 4/4 times signature and 6/8 times signature?
The difference between 4/4 times signature and 6/8 times signature, teacher. 4/4 times signature, there are 4 beats, and the 6/8 times signature, teacher, there are 6 beats each measure.
Okay, very good. So give 5 claps to Joey. Now, first man standing column 1. First man standing column 2. Yes, Joey. Yes, Joey. Your question is, what is the importance of 6/8 times signature in music?
And for that kini teacher, kay para matutog nimo ang tarong imo ang music teacher.
Okay, very good. So give 5 claps to Johnny Lynn. Now, okay class, so you really understand our discussion. So now, get 1/2 sheet of paper and answer this, please. So I give you 5 minutes to answer this, but before that, let's read the objective first. Class, we have to read the objective.
Identify the missing notes needed in the rhythmic pattern. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper.
Okay, so
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you have to start now.
Teacher, 1/4, 1/2.
1/2.
Manamina
Yes.
sa Janali.
You have to copy and answer class, ha?
Yes, teacher.
Terus anak ipasa teacher.
Karon.
This is your quiz.
Jomar.
Listen. Next time, class, you have to listen, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Wait, Jomar, do your quiz now.
Yes, teacher. I'm already.
Teacher, si Jomar, di katawa,
Ronaldine, why are you laughing? What's the problem?
I'm just happy, teacher, because I know all the answer.
Okay, so you have to cover your answer.
Yes, teacher.
Why are Kripas not around?
Nangingi, teacher. Teacher, si Jomar na nandog.
Jomar?
Kung man naman ako teacher. Nagulat na ako sa ila.
Jomar is done.
Manakot ko, teacher.
So you have 3 minutes left. You have to wait for Kripa. Kripa, please make it fast.
Done, teacher.
Okay, we'll just wait for Kripa to answer the quiz. Okay. Okay, so are you all done?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so you have to pass your paper. Finish or not finish? Okay, so now, are you all excited to go home?
Yes, teacher.
You're all excited. Get your assignment notebook to write this. Okay, so in your assignment, in your music book, create a 6-8 time signature with start, repeat. You know what is start, repeat?
Yes, teacher.
And repeat, and the end bar line. So, you have to copy now, guys.
Teacher, I forgot how to draw start, repeat.
So,
Can you show it to us, teacher?
this is the
Yes, teacher.
start, repeat. Like that. That is the start repeat. And this is the and repeat.
Okay, teacher.
Do you know the end bar line?
Yes,
I
forgot,
Okay,
teacher.
so this is the end bar line. Okay. Okay, so you have to copy now, class.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher, paano ka na ipasa?
Tomorrow, you have to pass it tomorrow. You have your music book.
Wala pa, teacher.
Okay. Okay,
Okay,
so
na siya ipasa.
you have to pass it tomorrow.
Pwede ba siya sulatan sa laing notebook, teacher?
Yes. photocopy now, class. Lipa, what are you doing?
Writing.
Okay.
You deleted ay parang yung phone.
This is the golden document.
Teacher,
Yes?
may we know if what's the answers there? We
Okay,
want to know,
so-
teacher.
Do you want to know the answer?
Yes, teacher, so that we'll know our score.
Okay. So who wants to answer for this number 1? Who wants to answer? Yes, Jody Lee. Okay, so what is this class? What note is this?
Have
Data
note.
And in 4 times signature, what is the bits of this?
3.
And for we have to put the dotted, so we have
No. 2 and 3 plus 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3.
So as you remember that this quarter note is a total of 2. If we put a dotted here, we have 2.
Okay.
So answer for number 1 is
Yes. Yes, it's correct, teacher.
So now for number 2, we have this quarter or half and
8
quarter.
note. 8 note.
8. So who wants to answer? Who wants to answer? Yes, Ruby. Okay, very good, Joby. So we have the quarter note, quarter dotted note. Now for number 3, who wants to answer? Yes, Joby. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, as your answer not for number 3 is correct, class?
Yes.
Okay, for number 4. Yes, Joby. Okay, very good. So we have the 2 quarter note, dotted quarter note. So for the last number 5.
Teacher.
Yes, Jonani. Okay, very good. So we have the dotted quarter note. So are you, did you get 5 for class?
Yes, teacher.
Now, okay, so are you done with writing your assignment?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, since you are all excited to go home and we answer this, your quiz, so now please stand up, class. Okay. So, Kripa, can you lead the closing prayer?
Let us pray. In the name of the Father, and the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Angel of God,
My guardian